succeeded to get a family reunion visa to Norway, me and my daughter. So this is how I packed her suitcase for preparation for both winter and settling in Norway. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Gibion. I decided to put up a video on how to pack for a winter vacation, and on this video I'm specifically concentrating on packing for a child. So if you are intending on having a winter vacation or relocating to a place where winter is a lifestyle, this video might be for you. So watch this video to the end and enjoy. So these two are going to be her main bags. Each will weigh approximately 23 kilos and the carry-on will weigh 7 kilos. And I think I'll also add a small backpack just for her personal stuff to carry on the plane. So these are the clothes. This is everything I will pack for her. I decided to buy Giles a lunch box. I don't know why. I just decided to be ready for school. So I love this lunch box when I was shopping and I bought it for Giles. These are the jackets I bought. I didn't buy everything winter. I had some lighter jackets for autumn and maybe spring. I'm sure I packed enough jackets. So these are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jackets. I also have these Marvins. Not all are winter-ish because this is a summer Marvin, or this is to be used in spring, sorry. This is to be used in spring. This can be used in any season, but the rest of them are more winter. So I made sure I have enough warm clothes for her. So these are some headbands. We are blessed. We are really blessed because my mom decided to make this for Giles. So these are to protect your ears. My mom happened to listen to Shiko's video about how cold she felt one day, and she decided we're not gonna go and feel that kind of cold. So she made us this stuff all by hand. This was such a blessing. Thanks, Mom, if you're watching this. I also bought some scarves. This specific scarf was handmade by my mom. She also made these wristbands. If you see this, these are wristbands for Giles also to protect her wrists from cold. These are headbands also, let me say, like to protect your ears during spring or other cold seasons, but no winter. So we are safe for both winter and summer. So I also brought this. These are for these are hair accessories. I also bought some warm sweaters for her. This one was made by her one and only auntie Shelmith. Thanks, Shelmith. You always come through for us. They are very, very nice to just stay in the house. They are very nice just to wear in the house. And these were a gift from her auntie Rita. We are so grateful for loving family. So we also got some very warm long pants that would be really nice for a winter day. We hope we are right on the material. They're very warm inside. We packed in some pull necks for her. These are stockings. So I bought a whole dozen of stockings because I would really love it to put her inside the clothes. These are very warm socks. You can see the inside material. It's very warm socks. They are like woolen inside. So I made sure I have at least 5 socks for her. Then these are hair accessories, more hair accessories. These are rain jackets. I think I'm a paranoid mom, so I bought some raincoats These are normal socks. The gloves, we bought several gloves. We were blessed to have these leather gloves. These are waterproof gloves. These are normal gloves with a touch pad. If in case she's using a phone and wearing gloves, she's safe. Then these ones were handmade by my mama, just for her to use while she's playing. She loves water, so I made sure I brought at least a warm water bottle for her. This is what I'm gonna pack in the suitcase for Jael. I believe there's nothing I forgot. In case we forgot anything, we will buy it in Norway. So this is one side of the suitcase. So here I placed the muffins. Here I placed the ear protection things. I don't know what to call them. The bands, ear bands. Then the scarves, the long pants, the sweaters, the t-shirts, and some summer dresses. The other side of the suitcase, I've packed jackets, socks at the far edge, the winter long pants, and the onesis, what do you call them? Yeah, so just a few stuff left for Jael and I'm done. In this small bag I've packed the essentials so that they are safe there, and I'll also put these headbands there to just make sure all these small things are in one place. I've finished packing this big suitcase. On top of that, she's bringing on this carry-on. Inside this carry-on, I'm going to pack the necessities for Jael, something like lip balm, handkerchiefs, and I'll also put inside some warm shawl to use in case it's too cold in the plane, and I'll also pack up a winter jacket in case we land and it's really snowy, so she'll have something to keep her warm. So basically Jael will have 2 suitcases, one large, one small, and this will be her carry-on.